If you're an accountant watching this video, the next 10 minutes could determine whether AI becomes your replacement or your career accelerator. Today we're getting tactical about AI's impact on accounting. I've compiled data from multiple industry sources, analyzed real-world implementations, and distilled the insights you need to make informed decisions about your career. We'll break down the automation reality, identify safe versus vulnerable tasks, and outline the specific steps accountants are taking right now to future-proof their careers while maximizing their value. Let's start with where accountants stand today. The US employs 1.4 million accountants earning an average of $77,250 annually, but this profession stands at crossroads. Current research shows 40% of accounting tasks are suitable for automation, while regulatory complexity continues to intensify. Behind these statistics lies a fundamental shift. Accountants are actively seeking technological solutions to handle routine work so they can focus on higher value strategic activities. Here's how the automation landscape actually breaks down for accountants. I've mapped their core responsibilities into 6 areas, and the results tell a compelling story. Administrative work like data entry, bookkeeping, and even tax prep to some extent sits squarely in AI's wheelhouse, but tasks requiring human judgment and client interaction remain untouchable. This analysis is grounded in real market data and current technology limitations. The data reveals a clear transition in daily responsibilities. By 2030, accountants spend less time on transaction processing and more time on activities like analyzing cash flow trends to predict liquidity issues, reviewing expense patterns to identify cost reduction opportunities, and creating financial forecasts for strategic planning. This isn't an overnight change, it's a 6 year progression from data processing to business advisory work. This breakdown reveals how automation affects different career stages. Entry level roles involving transaction processing and basic bookkeeping see the highest displacement rates. Mid level positions like staff accountants face moderate pressure as routine analysis gets automated. However, management roles focused on client relationships and financial strategy show both job security and salary increases up to 40%. The progression is clear: move up the value chain or risk being automated out. This radar chart shows why accountants aren't going anywhere. While AI dominates in processing speed and pattern recognition, humans excel in emotional intelligence, creativity, and complex judgment. The future belongs to accountants who can combine both capabilities. If you are an accountant, these are 3 things to start doing from today. Number 1, learn to prompt AI tools like ChatGPT for complex financial analysis. Practice writing specific prompts like analyze this P&L variance and identify the top 3 operational drivers behind the 15% expense increase in Q3 rather than basic data entry tasks. AI will automate anyway. Number 2, master AI powered accounting software integrations. Get certified in tools like MindBridge AI for fraud detection or Data Snipper for audit documentation, positioning yourself as the human expert who validates and acts on AI insights. Number 3, use AI workflow automation using tools like Zapier or N8N and enable custom automations that connect your accounting software to client communication systems, like automatically generating variance explanation emails when budget thresholds are exceeded, making your skills indispensable for process optimization. The next 3 to 5 years will be crucial for accountants. Those who adapt now will shape the future of their profession. If you want to see exactly how to implement AI in your accountant workflow, check out my practical automation guides in the next video. I'll show you a working solution you can implement today, both a free starter version and the full professional setup.